Hey there, if you're watching this, you're likely dealing with a weight that's hard to carry, especially when you're thousands of miles away from home. Dealing with debt is stressful enough, but when you're a US expat living abroad, the complexity can feel overwhelming. You might be wondering, can I even file for bankruptcy from here? Does the US court care about my foreign assets? Where do I even start? Today, I want to walk you through exactly how the process works for those of us living overseas. It's not just about going broke, it's about getting a fresh start. First things first, yes, as a US citizen or green card holder, you can file for bankruptcy in a US court while living in a foreign country. Usually, we look at the jurisdiction where you last lived or owned a business in the States. And here's the best part. In most cases, you don't even have to fly back. Modern bankruptcy courts allow for virtual or telephonic appearances. You'll generally choose between two paths. Chapter 7 is liquidation. It's designed to wipe the slate clean by selling certain assets to pay off creditors. Chapter 13 is more of a reorganization. You keep your assets, but you commit to a 3 to 5 year repayment plan. Which one is right for you? That's where a means test comes in, a calculation that looks at your income and expenses to see which category you qualify for. If you decide to move forward, there's a specific flow you need to follow. Hire an attorney. Seriously, between foreign assets and US tax laws, this is too complex to DIY. Credit counseling. You're required to attend a session with an authorized agency first. Gather your documents. You must be 100% transparent about your global income and assets. File the petition. This is where the legal stay begins, giving you immediate relief from debt collectors. The trustee meeting. You'll meet, likely virtually, with a trustee to verify your information. The judge's decision. They review everything you've submitted. The discharge. If approved, your qualifying debts are wiped out. Now a word of caution for my fellow expats. Bankruptcy is great for credit card debt or medical bills, but it doesn't always wipe out a tax debt. If you're behind on your US tax returns or owe the IRS, the rules are very specific. Some older taxes can be discharged, but most recent ones cannot. This is exactly why we specialize in tax resolution here at Tax Samaritan. You don't want to go through the whole bankruptcy process, only to find out you still have a massive IRS bill waiting for you on the other side. Look, you don't have to figure this out alone in a foreign country. Head over to taxsamaritan.com today. We can look at your specific situation, your foreign assets, your US tax standing, and help you build a strategy to get your financial freedom back. I'm Randall, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.